everything is their own past karma, Baba. If I murdered you in this lifetime, next lifetime you will come and murder me, or somebody else will come and murder me. It is essential for enlightenment to understand that there are past lives. When you don't understand that point, it is very difficult for you to come into meditation and enlightenment. But if you are fair enough, with a lot of common sense, with scientific spirit, we'll always come to that point of reincarnation. Only such people can come into meditation. Otherwise, they don't come. Your bad karma is offset by your good karma. So, in whatever situation you are, you help others, that's all. You begin a new cycle of good karma, which will offset your bad karma and will make you go towards meditation and enlightenment very easily. It is your good karma which offsets bad karma.